video 2. And we're going to the back and freezing a little bit. So switching hands from time to time. After effects of last night's blizzard / storm. Yeah, first time experience. And as it's a first time experience, the Lord wanted it to be great, so plenty memories. This is what Mr. Allen was just talking to earlier about you'll see the picture of Mrs. Allen in the window, but this is how high it is here. I don't know if I can see clearly, but it's very high. This right now reaching my waist. And if I walk through this, I'll be chest height. Seeing, watch it. Hope I'll seeing it flying along in the sky, covering everything. That's just the breeze right now. It's not snowing anymore. So, yes, that was a little taste. As for where the third one gone, no idea. So, going back inside. Here it is.
Pops, I'm too nervous to eat like that. Well, you too broke to get in there. It's not stopping you. Pops, not now. I'm trying to concentrate. Why do you wait till you win before you bring them out? Be right back. Going on, I haven't had time, man. I would be thinking about that. I would have stuck on the word. All right. I can't say it, Pop. So what, forever? Yes. Every time I hear it, I start getting nauseous. I feel sick. I love Miranda and I want to spend the rest of my life with her. Okay, so what you're saying is, you love her and you want to be with her.
And this is the time when they're talking to each other at the same time here. So it's going up now.